Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Anthony Camacho for Aquaponics. Check this out today guys. I have some ong choy. So very popular in Asian cuisine, Chinese also, especially but check this out. So I've got some ong choy, look like this, and I'm gonna plant it in my aquaponics. So I've got a bed over here that I'm gonna plant the ong choy in, and I want to show you how I do it, starting from scratch guys. Check this out. So for my media, I'm using black cinder. Comes in a bag like this guys. I'm not sure how many pounds it says. That's how big it is guys. 3/4 cubic feet. When you open the bag, the black cinder looks like this. So what I have here, I bought some baskets in Amazon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this black cinder. So I take my black cinder and I add it to this basket. So I'm going to just get my regular water hose and I rinse this out. Watch the color of the water when it comes out. It's going to be really dirty. See that guys? It's really dirty water. So you want to rinse this out a little bit. That's how I do it. Alright. See, the water's really dirty guys. If you don't do that, your water's going to be dirty and all that junk from the black cinder is going to be in your water. So then just shake this out a little bit, let it dry. Alright guys, so then let's move over here where I'm going to work. So I've got some ong choy. Ong choy does come in seeds. I'm going to put a video when I get the seeds in for that. But right now I have some ong choy and I got cuttings. So they grow in stems like this, and then what you would do is you would eat the ends right here, steam and stir fry, and they're very good vegetable. But what you're looking for are these roots. So you have roots like this on the ong choy, then over here you have some more roots, and then down over here you have more roots. So the thing with ong choy, when you're planting this, you got to make sure you use a really good clipper. So I have that there, and what I would do is I would go about like this right here, cut this, then I would have some fresh ong choy ready to go. And then I also have some more ong choy right here. I clip those guys. Has a little stem that'll grow too. Then I have some more here. You can plant that later, but just for this video I would like to show you guys how to do it. So for the ong choy, all you gotta do is put this in the media right here guys. So got my shovel, move this aside, and then I want to make a little hole here, and probably a little hole to the side of it, and then I will take the ong choy and I want to bury the root a little bit. So bury this plant down. You can leave some roots exposed, but you want this plant down in here, or else the plant's gonna come up and float away. Same thing for here. Grab it like this. Move the black cinder again, and bury that plant a little bit, whatever you can. Try to get it down in there, or else it is gonna float away. Right, clean that out. See, it already looks like it's still gonna float away. That's why I have some more of this black cinder. So some more of this black cinder right here guys. Put them on top. And you want this thing down in there so that it holds down. And try to make sure your leaves are pointing up. So for this, you bring this over to your aquaponics. And just place them in here. When you put them in here, put them in slowly. See how the plant's going in? You want to go slowly and make sure it doesn't float. And then just try to keep these up. If it's leaning down here like this, since I have another basket, I will turn this around so that I can plop this up on the other basket. Try to keep the leaves out of the water so they won't drown. Alright guys, keep the leaves out of the water. You can stake them down, whatever you want. Make sure this is holding in that black cinder. That's all it takes, guys. If you like that content, hit the like button. Here I have some ong choy again, planted down, same style, in these nice little baskets I got on Amazon. And my ong choy will come out like this. So an ong choy, you basically want to eat like this part. You want to eat like clip them over here and then stir fry them, and the plant will grow back. You can see it's getting there. I just got these today, so hopefully you guys enjoy that and enjoy the more videos to come. And for what I'm using, once again, got this video right on this basket right here on Amazon. It's a 10-inch basket. Well, I kind of crumpled up the label here, guys, but let me unfold one of these and I'll show you real quick. Aquatic plant basket, 10-inch, very strong and durable right now, guys. And Total Pond aquatic plant basket. Cost me about $3 some each for that basket. And black cinder's not too much, probably like $7 at the store. Alright, this video's not sponsored, by the way, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. Here's my ong choy. I'll give you guys an update when ong choy is established. I also hung some ong choy off the side right here. I'm gonna plant in my black cinder media, like right here. I'm gonna plant them in here in my grow beds also to see if it'll like that area also to plant. Alright guys, you guys like ong choy? Leave a comment. I haven't grown this since I was a kid, like so many years ago. These are very tasty, and you can eat the stems too. Stir fry them, some garlic and some sesame oil, some shoyu or soy sauce, and it tastes really good, guys. So I'll give you an idea of how it's growing. See my floating raft. This is not a bell siphon system. It just, water goes up to a certain height by my drain right there, and this is my water flow coming in here. And I do have an air stone right here aerating the water right here. Just want to see how it does. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll make some more videos on this ong choy. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. You guys have a good one. Alright, thank you very much. I'll leave you with a shot of my tilapia down here. Alright.